What are we doing? Oh, sad. Are you not happy? Why are you not happy? Tell me why you're not happy.
Because you haven't given me kisses.
I don't want to kiss a sweet fucking person. I'm a Russian. I'm shaking.
You're so dead.
I'm so shaky.
Shake that.
I cannot fucking feel me. Tell everybody out there where we should go.
We should go to hell. Oh wait, that's the next stage. I mean, we should go to Kodachikun.
Not next stage is not hell. We're going to Malmo. Malmo.
Yeah. To a metal scene. And you know, metal is the music of Lucifer, Satan. So it means we're going to
That's
hell.
what people say.
So we're going to hell. Yeah.
Hell is for children.
And for adults too.
What?
And for adults too.
For
Adults.
I don't hear what you say, bitch. That's stupid. Okay, it's filming in 8 minutes. No, 18.
It's a big difference.
My camera cannot take that. It's not good focus. When you're doing that, other people get in... yeah, focus. What's that in English?
Focus.
Focus.
Yeah.
Focus.
What else?
Focus.